close.
Feeling like things are about to get bad for me if I don't start taking care of myself, so.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder.
Sydney's having breakfast. She's having oatmeal, but I ran out of old-fashioned oats because I'm making apple crisp and I only have like half a cup. So I gave her maple brown sugar oatmeal that I had in my cupboard, and she is telling me it's too sugary. Like, what? Who are you? What alien country did you come from? When I was a kid, are you kidding me? I ate that right up. Look who's here. Look who's here.
Ozzy, can you say hi?
Can you, Ozzy, look. Can you say hi?
Whoa!
Wearing a unicorn headband. Cindy, who's here?
Yeah. Oh shit.
Well, who are these people?
Ozzy, cute.
And Ozzy.
And I can chew and have chew and Ozzy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a play date. We have our friends here for the first time in a couple of months. If you remember last year, Momtober, we did like a little pumpkin decorating party with the kids. I'm so not prepared with the pumpkins this year, but we're gonna be making some apple crisp. I've got some crock-pot soup going for the moms. Kids are all excited and playing. We've got some like festive chips going on for later, and yeah, we're just gonna have a play date and have fun. They lost power last night because of the like nor'easter that was happening, and so we're here. We have power, luckily. Oh, girls, you're having lunch already?
What did you make for her? Tomato? Mmm, that looks like a good meal.
Fancy.
Hello, Oz.
Oh.
Are you tomato?
Sydney, is that apple good?
Oh my goodness. What a lunch. Oh, Ozzy has a pepper.
Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees gets undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes. Until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. so far away.
What's happening? The kids are all playing together absolutely amazingly. They're loving the playroom, which is awesome. So I'm making them some peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, and we'll do cheese sticks. I've got the apple crisp in the oven. I kind of ran out of some ingredients, so I just like fudged it a little bit. And they're gonna watch a little bit of a movie to just unwind here. And then hopefully the soup is ready soon. Oh, I gotta put the pasta in the soup, I forgot. All right, the kids are eating lunch, and guess who's eating edamame and loving it. Got a little bit of TV going. What are you guys eating? Want to see yourself?
I got lamb.
Look, that's literally all he's eating.
I know, that's awesome. Yeah, Ozzy.
It's really not what I'm eating.
It's not what you're eating.
Nope. Huh, because you're picky.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys eat that, and then I'm gonna go pop one more thing in the oven for you guys to have after you're done eating lunch.
What
Something,
is it?
something cool.
Ozzy, that's for you, honey.
I think he's trying to cheers.
You hear him
Cheers.
say cheers?
Sydney, he's doing cheers with your cheese stick. Hey, she's like in a daze. Do cheers with Ozzy. Sydney. She's like, what's life right now? The little like nacho chips. And then us moms, hopefully the soup, I gotta go check the soup, but hopefully the soup is ready.
I'll walk across the room just to show you that I'm still around. Ask if you wanna meet somewhere later when the sun goes down. Oh, you know I'm serious. I'm serious. I will keep you all to myself.
All right, my kids are thoroughly enjoying these, so are moms.
I was trying not to eat them, but...
Well, the soup's not even gonna be ready, so what are we gonna... All right, the chips are pretty much gone. I finally took the apple crisp out of the oven, so that will cool down for a little bit, and then I have some... Yeah, gonna let it cool down for a little bit, but I have some vanilla caramel ice cream to go with it. I'm sure Sydney will be happy. All right, so I got this little like spider web splat game at Target for only a couple bucks, and we're gonna try it. We'll see, but it's all curved. I'm gonna try to see if it will stick on my window, my door. You'll be able to see all the tree damage and branches and whatnot from the last night's storm. How high should we put it? Here? Sounds good? Too high for Timmy and Ozzy?
I need to watch this. Actually, just watch that. Oh, it sticks, doesn't it?
It looks like it's going to.
Cool, guys.
Oh, I'm doing it.
Oh no, you can do it, honey. These things are so sticky, they're like a booger.
Pepper, watch.
Oh, that's
Watch
kind of
mommy.
cool.
Watch mommy. Watch out.
That thing.
All right, ready? Watch mommy. Ooh, mommy missed.
Okay, watch. Ready? Sorry, kid.
Oh my god.
Oh, we just...
It like stuck to my hands. Oh my gosh! How do you do it? Did you just roll it in a ball? Oh yeah, you're gonna catch all my hair with it.
Why am I so bad?
Why is it harder than it looks?
Oh my gosh, stop. Oh.
Is that fun?
Oh, thank you, Ozzy.
I love that laugh.
Look, mine's in the middle. I cheated.
Sydney, do it. Get one of them. How do you ask nicely?
Harper, share.
I'm starving and I can't believe the soup is not gonna be ready for another probably 2 hours.
She's starving me.
Starving. I've got peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I just got all the kids their apple crisp and ice cream. We're trying it with vanilla caramel ice cream. It sounds like it's gonna be amazing. Okay, what did we add to our ice cream? What did you put on it? Is it Halloween sprinkles? Yeah. With ghosts and bats and eyeballs?
Those are really cute.
Target. I got them because I'm gonna make cake pops.
Look at this picture.
Sprinkle.
Okay, soup is sort of finally done, but it's not really. It needs another hour, I think. Or a little bit more seasoning. But finally eating lunch. It's like 2:30. The kids found Baby Shark.
Pepper, what are you doing?
What is happening?
Oh!
You guys.
I love you. Our friends just left and I am ready for bed and it's 3:40. I'm like physically exhausted, mentally exhausted. I need to drink more water. I'm not wearing a stitch of face makeup right now. I'm just so tired. My soup did not come out as good as I thought. I'm wondering if maybe over time it will taste better. It's still on low or still on keep warm right now. And I don't know, sometimes I feel like soups taste better the next day, but yeah, it's okay. It's just not the most like exciting soup ever. So I got the recipe off Pinterest. Just FYI, what else? Yeah, now I have to clean up the disaster that is the storm of having 3 children here. They were all really good. They all played amazing. Barely, like, no fights today, actually, at all. And usually, I mean, hello, 3 kids who, like, are sort of close in age, you know. But they play so well together now. It was so cute while I was cooking. They were playing in the playroom, like having a blast. They were playing over here. They were just so excited. And then, of course, they had a lot of sugar with the ice cream and apple crisp. And then they got all their energy out. I pretty much was having a mental breakdown with them playing in the playroom because I want it to stay as perfect as possible for the longest time. And I'm basically just a crazy person. What, honey? Oh, I don't know. Mama's going to have to help you look for it. And I know, like, it's a playroom. Hello, they're supposed to play in there. But I feel like when things are new, I'm always, don't touch it. Don't breathe on it. Don't eat in there. Don't drink in there. Don't play with toys in there. I'm sure I'm not the only one. And I need to learn to loosen up, but I'm still, like, even Sydney's 2 years and 7 months or 8 months. Honey, I don't know, honey. And I'm still, every time she drops food on the floor, it still, like, drives me insane. And yeah, I don't know. I'm probably a little psycho. I feel bad for my friend because she was probably like, you're a psycho. You need to calm down. Anyway, poor thing. Whenever they lose power, it takes them, they're like the last area to get it back. Sydney, what are you asking? She wants me to give her a fishy kiss and a hug. Oh, hide? Fishy kiss?
I want a hug.
You don't want a hug?
No.
Okay, do you just want a fishy kiss?
No, you want a fishy kiss and a hug.
I'm gonna get you. She was just telling me she was hungry, so I'm gonna give her some soup for dinner. I am full and no joke ready for bed. That little baby. Baby legs. This outfit is size 2T from Carter's, and I forgot how small Carter's runs. It is like so tight on her, The pants at least. The shirt's fine, but the pants. I'm like, oh, I forgot about Carter's. They used to fit you so good when you were this tiny, tiny peanut. Those were the only clothes that fit you. And now you're a big, big growing baby girl. I love you. Okay, Mama's gonna get you some soup. The bread though was amazing. That like focaccia Asiago bread was amazing. What else is happening? Okay. I really wish the soup was better. I think it needs, well, now it's like dry, but it needs something.
It's yummy.
It's yummy?
And it has soup. It has soup with sauce. It has soup. It has soup in it.
Yeah, maybe Mama put too much pasta in there because it definitely exploded, huh? That's okay. I wish I got it on camera, but Sydney actually snuggled to me. Sorry, I might have soup all over my face because I just took a bite. Sydney actually cuddled with me, like actually rested her little head into me, asked me to put my arm around her, and every time I moved my arm, she would move it right back. She did not want me to show you guys on camera. I asked her if I could go get my camera and like do it, and she said nope, she didn't want it, so it's okay. I got to just snuggle with her for like 20 minutes, then we FaceTimed my mom. And now it is bedtime. So the little girl is having some milk and we are about to go upstairs, read some books and call it a night. You guys, I am going to bed so early tonight. I'm not even gonna worry about staying up and editing. I usually try to get my videos up at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, like every single day. It's just like my time, but I'm not even gonna stress it. I need to go to bed. Let's just put it that way. And I need to go to bed at a decent time. So we will have the video. Obviously, if you're seeing this, you have this video, but I'm just not gonna stress about these specific times. So if I get it up by 11, I do, and that's wonderful. And if it's closer to noon, 1 o'clock, that's okay too. I'm feeling like things are about to get bad for me if I don't start taking care of myself. So anyway, you guys, I will talk to you in tomorrow's video, and I hope you enjoyed our Playdate vlog. We are so glad that our friends came over because Sydney needed some playtime with some friends. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Do you want to say goodbye?
Bye-bye.